This problem is for white to make a ko, to have a chance to stay alive. So white's ice base really has serious problems. If white tries moves that do not lead to ko, white will die like this, or this. Right? This will be a bulky 5 shape or a pyramid 4 shape. So all dead shapes for white. White tries this. It's very similar, right? White will not be able to make a seki out of this shape on the corner. So the key to making a ko, when you have a stone here on the 2-2 point, right? When you see this shape, basically, the way you make a ko is to simply play on the 2-1 point. Now black cannot play this. Right? If black plays here, then white will live this way. There's be one eye here and another eye by capturing these 2 black stones. So black can only play this. Now number 3 will make a ko. Black will have to capture this way. And if black wins, black can connect. And this will be a dead shape, right? Pyramid 4. Or if white plays here, eventually those will be a bulky 5 shape. If white wins, eventually white will make a living shape. So the takeaway is really 1 and 3, right? That's how you make a ko. When your opponent's stone is on the 2-2 point and you have 2 stones nearby. It's a pretty neat solution to not having good ice space or enough ice space. Ko is always an option that you should consider when you encounter life and death problems. Thank you for watching.